Hi, my name is Avraham Gundle, founder and director for the Center for Integrated Medicine. And over the last 3 decades, I have been privileged to literally help thousands of patients heal from chronic conditions. Do you have an overactive mind and get easily anxious or overwhelmed? Or perhaps you just can't switch off, so you don't get the deep restorative sleep that you so desperately need. If so, then this short training can help you. You will learn simple step-by-step techniques to calm and focus your mind and to connect. The great part about what you are going to learn is that you don't need any prior experience in meditation or relaxation techniques. I want you to experience this calm state. So when you sign up by clicking the link below, I will give you my unwind meditation for free. So go ahead, click the link below so that you can learn these simple techniques to feel calm, focused, and connected.